So for the 1st of December, the first time in my life, I'm going to make one donkey eat out of my hand. Non, 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 attends. Woo, bravo! I finally did it.
Mais non, pas du tout. Pas du tout.
We give the donkey them steel bread. Daniel, the back of the donkey, then Daniel, one of the owners of the donkey, then named Daniel. So this vlog is a little bit all over the place because every time I get a chance to video a little clip, then I do so. I'm on my way to go and get Maya. She went on her first field trip today in grade 1. She went on one field trip already, but it was when she was at kindergarten. Now she's at primary school, and she went on her first field trip today. She went to an olive farm to pick olive to make olive oil. So her and her classmate went to the olive farm today, or the olive mill, or whatever they want to call it. Pick olive today to transform the olive into olive oil. She was excited this morning. I wanted to pick up the camera this morning, but I was rushing, so that wasn't possible. So now I'm on my way to go and get my princess. Y'all will see her when I get there. So I told you guys that this vlog would be all over the place. So I went to get Maya and turn on the light on this. Here it's much better. I'm going to get Maya from school and went home, ate dinner, and now we're on our way to a Christmas concert. Who happy?
Me.
Matthew's still at work. Matthew not come yet. Alex is at home. And now, me and Jamoy and Maya, we got a Christmas concert. It will be the first time for Jamoy and Maya going to a Christmas concert. I'm so excited because they've been to church, but long time ago back in Jamaica. In France, we don't go to church. We keep me going to church in my yard. So I'm taking them to their first Christmas concert. Come on, let me see the experience that I'm going to have. So the light you can see up there is the church light. The church is not very far. It's not far from my home. It's about 5 minutes walk. See the church light with a big old clock on the top. And we're not the only one going. You have people going here. How do you feel? You happy? You like it? So I guess Jim will like it. He knows if you've been there, not cry. I'll tell you why. Santa Claus is coming to town.
Je peux me mettre là, comme ça moi je vois mieux.
Regarde là. T'as vu le monsieur là-bas? Il y a une place à côté de lui?
Là, au milieu là.
Oui, mais il faut pas dépasser les filles là, tu vois.
Là, oui.
D'accord?
Parce que
Passe là. Come on, Jamal, come tell me. So we just came back. We just come back from church. Come tell me what you think about the Christmas concert.
Mm-hmm.
You like it?
Yes.
You enjoy yourself?
Mm-hmm.
But the way the place did dark, I hope you guys can see the footage that I took at the Christmas concert. But it was only for 1 hour. But trust me, we had a blast. Let's drink some. Maya? Maya? Did you like the Christmas concert?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah.
You had fun?
Yeah.
You wanna go back?
Yeah.
Take off this.
Good. Pode ficar.
And how was your field trip this morning?
What?
How was your field trip? Let me tell you something, field trip. Last.
Sortie.
Oui, la sortie.
Yeah.
So how was it? How was it, Maya?
Really good.
Are you good, Maya? Tell me what you did on your sortie. Field trip named sortie. Maya? Maya. Tell me what you do. If you even tell me in French, I'm going to translate it. Tell me what you do.
On a ramassé des olives.
She picked up the olive. What else? No drink here, Gemma, please.
Et moi.
Attends. Let me show them what I drink. I drink lemonade from sugar cane.
Julie a la quantité.
Tell me, Mimi. Tell me about your field trip.
On a fait quelques activités.
And she do work for activity. What else?
On a mangé dans une salle.
She eat her picnic in one room.
Ah mais Gemma,
She read that book and Gemma got her on her page. Alright, she told me that she had a wonderful time. Pick olive. If we get to taste the olive oil. She said it olive oil, she didn't really like it because the taste of the olive oil stayed a long time in her mouth, so she didn't really like it. But it was, and she had an amazing time. Come, what you have to say? How was your week at school this week?
Good.
You had fun?
Quoi?
Did you had fun?
Yeah.
What did you learn this week? What did you learn at school this week?
Me learn.
Lean back. Lean back. What did you learn? Don't tell me in French. You can't find it in the English word. Tell me in French. Then tell me. Then tell me, because maybe somebody watching speaks English, speaks French, so they can understand too.
Histoire.
History. You learn history?
Yes.
What happened?
On avait une frise chronologique.
You have what?
Une frise chronologique.
What that mean?
C'est une bande du temps.
Ah, a time lapse. What else? Lean back.
On a appris les chiffres romains.
They learn Roman shift. They learn Roman numerals. What else?
Aussi, en français, on a fait aujourd'hui, on a fait des petites recherches.
And in French today they did a little research.
Et on doit faire 2 enquêtes. Moi, j'ai fait les 2 enquêtes. Moi, j'ai fait les 2 enquêtes entières.
Mais quoi?
Les 2 enquêtes entières.
Ça veut dire quoi ça?
Entières?
Oui.
J'ai tout fait.
And he said he did everything. That's it? That's it?
Non.
What else? You have anything else to tell them?
En mathématiques, j'ai appris mes tables.
And in mathematics, him learn in timetable. Which timetable? Which number?
2 et 5.
2 et 5? But you know it 2 times already. You learned it 2 times today.
Et la table de 0 et la table de 1. C'est tout.
But you already know that? Okay. So I'm learning, instead of the 0 times the number, and then 2 times the number, and then 5. You did 5 too?
5? Oui.
Okay, tell them bye-bye.
Goodbye.
Continue read. Alright guys, I hope you're not too confused with this vlog because it's all over the place. You look like me? You look like me? You look like me? Yeah, we look alike.
Yes.
Yes, you look alike. Anyway, guys, that's it for today's vlog. Hope you remember to give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below and share this video, guys. And please remember to turn on your notification bell that you get notified each time we upload a video. Bye, guys.
Goodbye.